Hi, this is Josh Soy, and this is the CS10 digital recording monitor. The monitor is built on a 12.1 inch daylight readable screen. It's going to do really well in bright situations, and the digital recording part of it is truly one-touch digital recording. Very easy to use, very short learning curve on this one. So anybody who knows how to use VHS or DVD, this is the monitor for you if you want to go to digital. Now, as you can see in the lower right hand corner, this is the actual digital recording part of it booting up, and that bar takes a few seconds to load up there. But once that's finished loading, we're going to go ahead and take our USB thumb drive and insert it in the side over here. Now once you insert that, you're going to see in the lower right hand corner a little flashing green light. Once that's done flashing, you're ready to start recording. And along the left side of the control panel here, you see three different buttons. You see snapshot, video, and auto log. If you've seen any of the other products that we've launched with auto log in there, auto log is basically a compressed video format that's going to save you space on your thumb drive or hard drive or wherever you take that video file to. So I'm going to go ahead and make a recording here, and it's literally one touch. You can see up here in the left hand corner it tells you it saved it to the thumb drive. So we have a snapshot on that thumb drive. We could take that out and hand it to a customer right now. They'd be able to open that picture on their computer. Likewise with video, I'll go ahead and hit the video button there. We'll go ahead and move the camera around in the pipe a little bit just to show that we're recording. But to stop that recording, all I do is hit that button again. You'll see that red indicator light will go off, and we have completed a video file, and that is now stored on our thumb drive. So at this point we could pull the thumb drive, hand it to the customer, we'd be all set. But I want to show you a couple of other features on here that just go beyond the recording part. This does have full playback with audio capabilities as well. If you hit this button in the lower left hand corner of the directional key, it brings up a little menu up here, and at the bottom is media list, and that will let you browse through your pictures and videos that you've taken on here. So let's go to the top here. That's the most recent job we've done, and you see we have a snapshot and a video on there. To play the video, you just go push the directional key down to the video and hit the video button there. We'll go ahead and move the camera around in the pipe a little bit just to show that we're recording. But to stop that recording, all I do is hit that. So that was obviously the video that I recorded at the beginning of this video. So you do get good audio playback on the monitor. It's nice and loud. But at the end of this, I will tack on some video on the end of this demonstration video to show you how good the quality is when you play it back on good speakers. If you wanted to shut off the microphone during a recording, you have this button in the lower right hand corner. You just push that and it will go and turn that off when you're doing a video recording. So very simple to use. You've got your lighting controls, your sound, zeroing the counter, all of the basics on there. So that is about it for the functionality on this monitor. One of the cool things you can do is with the seeSnake HQ disc that's included with the CS10, you can go and take the information that's on this thumb drive now and create reports. You can burn DVDs, even upload and host the videos on RIDGID Connect, so you can share them with anyone and anywhere. So we'll go ahead and push the button, the folder button here, and eject the USB, and we're all set. Next part of the video, I'm going to go ahead and import this into HQ and show you some of the cool stuff that you can do with it. Alright, I just inserted the thumb drive that we had just recorded off the CS10 into my computer, and when that loads up you can see that you have a bunch of files in here as well as a folder. I was talking about the report that you could put together automatically on the CS10 to give to the customer. When we click on it, you'll see that we've got the multiple sessions that we recorded, and you can see there's pictures and video on here. And if we wanted to go look at one of those pictures, all we do is click on it. It loads up the picture, and it has the distance that we were out, the time, date when we actually recorded this. Likewise for the video, and when this plays back, pay close attention to the quality of the video and the audio on here. Like I was talking before, the audio sounds really great when you put this on a PC. So when we click this, it's going to ask you if you want to open it with Windows Media Player, and you'll see it loads up. And hit the video button there. We'll go ahead and move the camera around in the pipe a little bit just to show that we're recording. So that's what the playback of the video looks like and sounds like on a PC. As I was saying before, very good audio quality as well as image quality on here. So I'm going to go ahead and close my browser, and we're going to go back into that thumb drive. You can see all of our files on there. Now if you want to get down just to the raw video and the JPEGs on the thumb drive, all you do is click on the folders, the date that corresponds to it. You can see you've got JPEGs, you've got AVIs under there. So you can do whatever you want at this point. You could go open them up, you could go copy and paste them. But really the easiest way to work with any of these files is going to be to use seeSnake HQ. Now the disk comes with the CS10 as a standard include, and it's going to allow you to go in here. As you can see, I've got thumb drive icon up here in the upper left. If I want to go and import that job, I could just click on it, and we'll go ahead and open the job. This is going to allow you to work with it. You can go and edit images, you can cut video segments out, you can make some changes to that stuff in there. But most importantly, you can go and click on report, and it's automatically going to generate a report with the images and the videos that we had taken. You can see some extra stuff in here. It's just from some testing that I did. But you can go play them back in here. You could go type in misspell it. You can actually go and right click on it. You can go fill out customer information. You could go put the purpose of the job, and that could be multiple lines you can type in there. But a very nice, straightforward, simple reporting package. And you can deliver this report a few different ways. You can email it, you can print it, you can export it to a thumb drive. Now with email and print, it's just going to be the standard snapshots. It's not going to be able to obviously print a video, and you can't email large videos. You'd actually have to host them on RIDGID Connect. But we'll go click on DVD up here at the top, and this is going to allow you to take the files that you record on your CS10 and change them into a DVD that you can very easily burn and hand to your customer. It's literally as easy as putting a disk in your thumb drive and hitting burn. The last option you have here, and this is an important one because with digital, it really opens up capabilities of being able to share information across the globe almost instantly, and hosting video is going to be the best way to do that. So we can take our entire report that we created and put our comments in there. And if you have a RIDGID Connect account, you could go in there, sign into it, and hit upload. It's going to move all that information up to RIDGID Connect where it's going to be stored. It's very secure, backed up, and you can also go and share that information with your customer. And then there's even capabilities that ensure you just share it with them and not with the whole world. So that's the basics of the CS10. For more information on the CS10 and our full line of RIDGID products, visit the RIDGID forum at www.rigidforum.com. Here you'll find over 35,000 industry professionals who discuss products, ask questions and answers, and participate in general discussion related to your trade.